Meeyam gi thougal matol lomna touba haibasina mang tharaga medical gi profession de leiba singna thabak tougadabani haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Prof and Lokendra na phongdorakli. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jennings ke Man Auditorium da ngasi pangthokhiba kumja English ganishum na taraga nipan taraga mapan batch ke MBBS amasung BDS ki graduation ceremony da wafam asi phongdokladuna mahakna hai. Ngasi fawbada institute asina MBBS graduate Chanipan BDS chamaga nifu mathoi amadi postgraduate doctor Chani rong puthokpang ngamkhiba ase thagat ningai ni institute asina scientific journal kaya puthokpaga loidana seminar amadi workshop kaya pangtokpa asina medical science da achoba khudol ama tambang ngamle ngasi di medical science ase anoba technology kaya gi mateng loidana aduki matik advance oide masina madam oiraga ana layengi lamda afaba makhage layeng pathap kaya piba ngamle ngasi gi graduation ceremony asil loiraba matung Dr. Haiba Mingthol ado fanglakadaba singna miyoi bagi thougal maton lomna touba haiba wakhalon asina mang tharaga thabak tougadabani hainaso makna makha takhe
compassion, empathy and kindness in handling your patients. Medicine is not just about treating illness but also about providing proper care to the patients. You will encounter patients from all walks of life, and it is your responsibility to provide them with the best possible medical care. I would also like to remind you that learning is a lifelong process. The field of medicine is constantly evolving every minute, every second, every day. New diagnosis, new treatment, new drugs, new way of investigations in order to solve the human ailments. Stay strong, work hard, and appreciate all you have got. Fulfilling your dreams is one of the most satisfying experience in life.
Thauram aduka mari lainana Jennings ki director professor Dr. L. Deven Hai Mahagna director oina thabak puba hanba term dage tongan hiramda Jennings ki thabak thoram kaya packet ki ba leikre institute asida MBBS tamdaba sit chama khak leirambadage chama ga yankai de hengatna ba honabada achoba singna ba ama oike kumja English singani shumna taraga nipan taraga mapan batch ki graduation ceremony asigi matungda doctor ama oire haiduna mahairoi singna komthokpa yate makha tana lepa leitara honaduna punsida mai pakna ba honagadabne Jennings ta tongan ba aruba laina kaya layeng khibaga loinana aruba operation kaya mai pakna chathakre masigi mathakta organ transplant ki operation kaya amaso mai pakna pangthokpa ngamkre leibak asigi atokpa institute singda mahai tambaga Jennings da mahai tambada changliba senfam ga adugi madik khena balai Jennings ki oine MBBS ki course ase yamna pikpa mamal da lupa lakh ahum gi makhada tamba yai doctor amu oina ana layenga mari lainana lakpa yoi khudingmak nungsina loina bigadabani amade sel ka hena changhandana layingnaba honabigadabani hainasu bahana makha takhe thauram aduda institute asigi din professor Dr. Supriya Leifangbamna mai paklaba MBBS graduate chama amasung BDS graduate yankaida certificate yantokhibaga loina wasak lokhe institute asigi medical superintendent professor Kes Lokeshwar dental college ke principal professor Nidars de Hargre yauna tongan ba maru ai ba miyoi kya da thauram aduda sab yakhe.
With this promise, I have started renal transplant here with the help of my colleagues because in the medical science, sir has mentioned rightly, this is a teamwork. This is not a responsibility of you only, not mine only. It is teamwork. Even one case, rare of the rarest in northeastern, bone transplant. Second time bone transplant where it has been rejected in Mumbai, big hospital, where the facilities are available. That case we have done here and we have published in the paper also. Rare of the rarest case.